Hello everyone, in this video we are going to learn about future tense and its forms. Future tense. As the name suggests, this form of tense is used for sentences with a future sense. The future tense describes an action that will take place or is expected to take place in the future. Examples are: the rain will be good for the crops, the astronauts will return to Earth next month, he will be staying back for dinner, he will have finished his homework by 8 pm, by next year Ram will have been volunteering for the NGO 3 years in a row. So we can see the use of future tense in different ways in these sentences. The future tense can be formed using either will or shall. Will is used with all the three persons nowadays. Will is also used to emphasize the subject's determination to do something or to show that an event will certainly happen in the future. Shall is not commonly used these days except for asking questions or making suggestions. Now let's analyze some examples. I will compete in the match. It indicates determination to compete in the match. They will meet the target before time. Meet the target in the future. They have decided that they will meet the target before time, determined to meet the target before time. So, the future tense is used to express an action or an incident likely to happen in future, that is, after the time of speaking. Remember, we don't have any form of the verb to convey future directly. For example, we use the first form of the verb to convey simple present, while the second form is used to express the simple past. The third form of the verb is the past participle form and is used to form perfect tenses, passive voice and other constructions. There are four types of future tense: future progressive tense, simple future tense, future perfect tense and future perfect progressive tense. Now let us understand more about each one of them and how they can be used to refer to the future. Simple future tense. The simple future tense is used for actions that will take place at some point in the future. Example: he will study economics from next year. She shall complete this assignment soon. The structure or the formula to frame simple future tense is subject plus will or shall plus first form of the verb. The positive or affirmative sentence in future tense is framed by this formula: subject plus will or shall plus base form of the verb plus object. Example: Ayush and Neha will go to the office. The negative is framed by using subject plus will shall plus not plus base form of the verb plus object. Example: Ayush and Neha will not go or wouldn't go to the office. The interrogative sentence is framed by using will or shall plus subject plus base form of the verb plus object. Example: will Ayush and Neha go to the office? We use simple present and present continuous to show future time. For example, she leaves for Paris tomorrow. The film is about to start now. We are going to leave for Paris tomorrow. In the first two sentences, the verb is in the simple present tense. In the third sentence, the verb is in the present continuous tense. However, all three actions are set to happen in the future. Future tense is also formed by using going to. This form shows that there is an intention or a decision to do something in future. For example, the dancer is going to give a performance today. Are you going to play in the Ranji Trophy match? So we use going to form when we want to suggest people's intention to do something in the future. As, I have not read this book but I am going to. So the words will, shall, going to is used to express simple future tense. So simple future tense is used to denote the action that will happen in future. Example: we will go to watch a movie today. Then to denote an action that will happen as a habitual action. For example, our school will begin its winter break in the third week of December. Then, to denote assumption about future. For example, I need few dresses. I think I will go to the market tomorrow. Then, to denote future action over which we have no control. Example, I will turn 15 this week. Or, do not put your hand out of a moving vehicle, you will hurt yourself. Then, to denote a promise to do something. For example, you are my friend, I will help you. I will water your plants till you come back.